the Whiteboard Wipeout. So whiteboards are awesome. Like, they do one job super well. They're very visual. They're great, what you call information radiators. They share information. They share information for people who are standing right in front of them. And they're very good at it, which is why everyone has whiteboards. But whiteboards have some drawbacks. There's some things whiteboards suck at. And if you've ever tried sharing a whiteboard, pulling it off the wall, jamming it in your pocket, sticking it in your car, emailing it to someone, whiteboards really, they're not shareable. They're shareable with the people in the room, and they're excellent. They're also not that easy to move information around. So you've got to rub it off and you've got to move it from one place to the other place. And they're not searchable. So you can't say, what was on my whiteboard last week? It just doesn't really work. And you can't drag and drop a bit of information from here. It's rub out, rewrite, rub out, rewrite. And I don't know how many times like someone's walked in and looked at the whiteboard and said, is that up to date? And the answer is invariably, almost, or we haven't touched that for 6 months, or yeah, except. So keeping whiteboards up to date is a bit hard. They're great for like discussions and mapping stuff out and strategic planning and all that sort of stuff. Whiteboards, excellent, nothing better. I've got like whiteboards all around me. I love whiteboards, but they are not great scheduling products for those reasons. So that's why I classify whiteboards as a whiteboard wipeout.